We use past simple to refer to a specific point in the past. Past simple verbs could be regular, ending in ed, or irregular, having an irregular form. As in the example, yesterday I found my grandmother and yesterday I ate salad. We know that ate is irregular and found is regular. To be more specific, regular verbs could be of 4 different types. The first type refers to those verbs ending in ed. So we add ed at the end of each verb. We say played, listened, watched, worked, visited. Then we have a second type ending in d because the verb already have an e. Okay, so we add d, arrived, closed, decided, died, and liked. The third type includes those verbs which double the consonant and adds et at the end of the verb. So we have planned, stopped, admitted, traveled, and committed. The fourth and last type includes those verbs which end in y and we change the y into ied. For example, carried, married, studied, tried, and cried. Then we have irregular verbs, and we have also 4 different types of irregular verbs. We have first the super irregulars, which are characterized because the 3 forms are different: be, was, were, been. Bite, beat, beaten. Do, did, done. Fly, flew, flown. Then we have the second type called vocalics because the vowel change, only one vowel. So become, became, become, begin, began, begun, ring, rang, rung, swim, swam, swum. The third type is called twins because we have 2 same forms of the verb. For example, beat, beat, beaten, build, built, built, buy, bought, bought, and dig, dug, dug. Finally, we have copycats because the 3 forms are the same. Bet, 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 put, 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 read, 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 and heart, heart, heart. Here you have some of the meanings of the irregular verbs used in the examples. But when do we use the past simple? We can use the past simple to tell people anecdotes. For example, my father fed the birds to hear them sing. Or we can use them for telling past habits. I used to play the piano when I was 7 years old. Or maybe to talk about history, Native Americans settled in colonies, or we can use it for biographies. For example, the ones of Charles Dickens. Charles Dickens was born in 1821. Now let's put what we know into practice. Harry Potter was a very special boy. He was a young wizard. His hair was black and his eyes were green. He had a scar on his forehead. He lived with his aunt, his uncle, and his cousin. He wasn't happy living there because they didn't love him. He got a letter from Howard School of Witchcraft and Wizardry. He was a new student there. He bought a new pet too, an owl. His name was Hedwig, but his uncle didn't want to have a wizard in the family and took Harry to a lonely island. Rubius Hagrid rescued Harry and went to Diagon Alley with Harry. There he bought his new clothes, books, and his wand. He went to school for the first time by train in platform 9¾ There he met his new friends, Ron Weasley and Hermione Granger. They talked and ate candies and chocolates. They arrived at the school and had a big dinner with all the students and the teachers. A special had selected a house for the students. Harry, Ron, and Hermione went Gryffindor house. They were very happy. At school, they took potions classes, history of magic classes, and defense against the dark arts classes. Harry also played a sport, Quidditch. He had a broom, the Nimbus 2000, because he flew and caught a ball, the snitch. Draco Malfoy didn't like Harry. He was a member of Slytherin house and always tried to beat Harry. Now we are going to have a look at the biography of Richard Harris, one of the actors who acts in Harry Potter, as Albus Dumbledore. Let's have a look at the regular verbs in past simple. Now let's look at the irregular verbs in past simple. Now let's move on to some examples. Alexander Fleming discovered the penicillin in 1928. Discover is a regular verb, so its ending is et. However, in British athletics won 29 medals at the 212 Olympic Games, we have an irregular verb which is won. Moving on to the negative form, Edmund Hillary didn't discover penicillin in 1928. We have both examples of regular and irregular verb having the same constructions. We have the didn't at the beginning of the negative constructions. We have did as the past reference. Then we have not as the negative reference, and then we have the verb carrying out the meaning. Finally, we have the interrogative forms. Did Alexander Fleming discover penicillin in 1928? Did British athletes win 29 gold medals at the 2012 Olympic Games? As you can see, we have the did at the beginning, the auxiliary, and then we have the main verb without any change. So we have the regular verb discover and then the regular verb win with no changes. Let's not forget that the word order of these sentences is auxiliary, then the noun, the subject, and then the verb.